Welcome to the farm, everyone. And here is Old MacDonald now.
Hello there.
It's a beautiful day down on the farm.
The cow says moo. We say moo too.
A happy mallard duck swims in the pond, quacking all day long near the big red barn.
The little pink pig loves the mud, splashing and rolling with a happy thud. The children all giggle and trotting along in the stable so grand. The little white bunny, the best in the land. Hooray for the horsey, hip hip hooray. Counting fluffy sheep today, watch them jump and watch them play. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Down in the coop, where the eggs are brown, the fluffy little chicks chirp all around. The mother with a woof woof here, starts to ring.
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a cow,
Sleepy sheep and the setting sun. Another day on the farm is done.